Hi guys and welcome back to 97 Projects. I'm Amy and today we're going to be preserving more funeral flowers. If you've seen my last 3 videos, you know I've been learning how to preserve flowers in resin, and if you haven't seen my last 3 videos, where have you been? I'm joking. I'll leave a link here so you can go and see how I've been learning to preserve flowers. There's a lot of information in the last few videos that I've done, so go and check them out. There won't be as much info or like tips and tricks on how to preserve flowers because I've already done a full video on that. So this will be purely watching me do the project from end to end and enjoy. Right, so the flowers that we're using are these ones. There's yellow ones. So as usual, I don't know what flowers I'm working with. I need to start learning what I'm using so I can figure out what dries well in the drying process or not. I can tell that we've got a couple of roses in here. There's a couple of little ones. Some pansies. A couple of yellow flowers in there. A little bit of eucalyptus, which apparently dries really well. So we're going to give this a go, and there's going to be 4 of the yellow roses in a cube each. And then the rest of the flowers are mine to use for a love heart. I'm not going to be putting any gold leaf in there because I kind of like the way that they looked without it, so I'll probably check with the client if that's what they want as well, rather just assuming because that's what I want. Ooh. It's a bit bubbly. I've been having some troubles with the bubbles just because it's been so cold around here recently, because it's getting towards December time now, so, well, it's November. But I think it's still very pretty. Ooh. And the next one. I can see so many little micro bubbles from last night. I think I left it too late. I was doing it quite late at night. Temperature had dropped a lot as well, so I can't remember what rule it is, but we need to pay attention to the temperature. I wanted to be able to pop them out today, but it's done me no favours doing rushing it, so. Ooh. Another very cool one. Very nice. Got no bubbles on the side of this one, which is good, because I made sure I sort of lifted and separated out the moulds so I didn't get that bubbles that I had last time. I've got it in the resin instead this time. Happy with those. The yellow looks beautiful as well, the yellow. I don't think people are going to care too much about there being bubbles in there. They'll probably be more interested in just making sure they've preserved their own, got their own keepsake of their grandma. Do we take this out as well? Why not? Wow. Wow. How cool is that? You can see the roses on the edges. I was worried that this wasn't going to touch all the roses. So again, I made sure when I was pouring the resin, I was stretching out the sides to make sure that all the flowers were coated. Oh, I love that on the side. Very cool. Giving myself compliments like I didn't know what I did. This is a little bit messy down here, so maybe I could have done with not having that one in there. I need to think about all the different directions, don't I, when I'm putting stuff in the moulds. Because even though the mould's opaque, when it's all fully cured, it's not going to be opaque, so that's awesome. Now we've got to get started on these two. So we need a thin layer and then we can start the pouring. If you're interested in any of these sort of videos, then hit the notification button. That'll tell you when I upload next. I'm not really in a good schedule at the moment, so it'll notify you when I do upload. It's worth checking those out because there's loads of information in them. I do say so myself. Now my computer's off, it's all quiet. It's all so quiet. And so peaceful left to As usual, I haven't got a clue what flowers I'm using.